One of the features of the rotation planner is the ability to import the schedules of a group of learners rather than having to enter each learner's schedule manually block by block. Doing a schedule import could save you some time, especially if you already have a copy of their schedules in Excel. The first step in performing an import is to make sure you have the Excel template that 145's schedule importer uses. You can find the template within our support resources. It's also linked below this video. It's important to pay attention to the details of the Excel document in order to ensure a successful import. The first column of the Excel template has no header. The rows below the empty header contain the names of the learners with the last name first, then a comma, and then the first name. These names must match exactly as they are in 145. The remainder of the columns in the top row display dates. These dates must match your block dates, using the date format shown in the template. The rotation names are listed in the appropriate cell for the learner and the corresponding block dates. The names listed in your file must match the abbreviations found in the Setup, Manage Rotations page. The importer doesn't like formatting on the import file. If you're running into any issues performing your import, you may want to try copying your information and pasting values only onto a new document to ensure the data is clear of any formatting. It can also be helpful to save the document in an older version of Excel. Once you have your file prepared correctly, the import process should go smoothly. To start your import, you must first access the Rotation Planner by clicking on Schedules in the top menu bar, and then click Rotation Planner from the left sidebar menu. From here, click on the Schedule Import link at the top center of the page. A new tab will open to reveal the schedule importer. Click on View Edit under number 1, Setup, at the top left of the page. The first thing you need to do is choose the file you want to import. Click Choose File to browse through the files on your computer. Find the import file you prepared and click Open. Then you should see the information from your file appear at the bottom of this page. Ensure that the correct row is indicated as a header row and that the data looks correct before clicking Done. Just above where it says Header Row, a box should appear telling you to go to the Map Excel to 145 section, and a check mark will appear next to Choose Excel Sheet. The next step is where you indicate the relationship between the information on your file and the information in 145. If everything is done correctly on your import file, the matching should be automatically done for you. However, there may be cases where you have to match items yourself. First, let's go click on View Edit under Map People. The names on the left are the names on the file. If they match someone in 145, you'll see the name appear on the right. If you see the word Pick, it means the name didn't match. In order to find the correct person, click on Pick, and a search box will appear. Search for the person using first name, last name, or both. When you find the correct person, click on the name. Once all of your people have been matched, click Done, either above or below your list of names. If you find that you're having to pick a large number of people, it might be faster to fix the names on your import file and start the import process over again so it has a chance to match the people automatically rather than manually picking each person. Next, click on the View Edit under Map Blocks. Again, you will see the information from the file on the left and the blocks in 145 on the right. If the blocks do not match, click on Pick to open a drop-down menu and scroll to search for the correct block. Once all your blocks have been matched, click Done. Again, if a large number of blocks don't match up, it might be better to edit your import file and try again. Now the rotations need to be matched. Click on View Edit under Map Rotations. If the rotation names do not match, click Pick to open a search box. You may want to try a search using fewer letters to open up your search results. Click on the correct name for the rotation, and then click Done when you've finished matching them all. If a large number of rotations don't match up, it might be better to edit your import file and try again. Once everything has been matched and all 3 items under number 2 Map Excel to 145 are checked, you can complete the import by clicking on View Edit under number 3 Do the Import. From here, click Import. If your import is successful, you will get a success message and some numbers letting you know how many cells were imported. You can close the tab when you're done. If you refresh the Rotation Planner by clicking on Rotation Planner from the left sidebar again, you should see your newly imported rotations. Now you just have one more step to perform before your learners can see their schedules. Remember, we imported this into the planner, which learners can't see. Look for our next video on releasing the rotation planner to the rotation schedule.